Hey guys, in today's video we'll be going back and doing some work on our camper. One thing we've always struggled with was storage. Having things way in the back in this basement area was always a pain in the butt to get to. So today we'll be building a drawer slide out that should help us out quite a bit. I'll attempt to show all the steps involved in building this thing, so hopefully that will help you if you decide to do something similar. Using SketchUp, I was able to make a mock-up of our storage area along with the opening of our camper, and the drawer will be about slightly over 4.5 foot. There it is, 4.5 foot long, and almost 2 foot wide. The tracks that we'll be using are 4 foot long, and they allow the drawer to open a full 4 foot. So it'll be something. It'll operate like that, and if I open it up 4 foot, that'll be the max, and it'll leave a little bit in here since it is over 4 foot long, but we could easily access that area. So the first thing we'll go ahead and do is cut our plywood, which will be the bottom of our drawer and also the sides of the base. The rest of it will be 1x3s, which will be the perimeter of the drawer, and if I hide this, also the bottom supports of our base. And these little strips on the side here, those will just be to support the track slides, and they'll just sit up there and make it nice and easy to mount them to the base. It'll be nice and straight. So first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and cut our plywood. Let me unhide everything. There we go. We'll cut our plywood, and then we'll cut our 1x3s, and we'll start putting things together. Well, I got the base done. I used 1x3s for support and just 1/2 inch plywood. I also had to cut little grooves over here because we have some hooks on the flooring in the storage area, so that's going to be riding over. So there's that part of it. This is the beginning stages of the drawer itself. We used 1x4s along the perimeter, along with 1/2 inch plywood for the bottom. They're just screwed together. And I have drawer slides that'll be mounted onto the sides, which we'll get to. My next stage is I'm going to put some totes on here to find out where the dividers need to go, see how everything's going to fit. Okay, I got the drawer with a few of the totes. I got one more tote, but unfortunately it's not going to fit there. I'm hoping I might be able to stack it, and then we can just put a couple eye bolts here and a bungee to strap over. But that's pushing the height to about 13 inches, and that is getting very close, very tight to get it into the storage. But you never know, it might work. But anyway, this is what we got so far. And as for a divider, I'm not going to put dividers in. I think I will put one here in the middle just to support the drawer itself. But other than that, I think it's ready to put the drawer tracks on and see if we can't get it on that base and see how she's going to fit. Well, there's the base and the drawer kind of put together. Just need to get the tracks in between those 3/4 inch gaps on each side. So I'll get those tracks on. We'll see how it all fits. Then I got to take the tracks back off. That way we can go ahead and paint this whole thing and put it all back together. But anyway, let me go and get the tracks on, and we'll go from there. There we go. These strips are just for the drawer tracks to lay on, just for ease of installation. These are the drawer slides that I'll be using. They're 4 foot long, and I'll go ahead and have a link to these in the description. But basically, these will be mounted onto the side of the drawer here, and then they'll also be mounted on the base. We'll see how it goes. good. This one drilled. T-nut in there. Screw. All right, let's get this drawer in place. I will have to shim it up, but we'll see how she's gonna fit in here. Oh yeah. Okay, well, let me get this shimmed up and we'll get ready to go ahead and mount that. All right, I already got it shimmed up by 1.5 inches, which is what I needed for my camper, which I'll try to show you why. Between the floor and the height of the bottom of the opening is about 1.5 inches. So that's why or 2 1/4 actually. So with the 1 by and the 1.5 inches, so I have 2 1/4 to the bottom of the drawer. So let's go ahead and, I already had this hole drilled, so we'll go ahead and get this T-nut in here, get this screw in here, like that. Let's get that one in. Good. Let's go ahead and get this other one drilled out. Just need to bring that, just like here where it's flush right there. We'll go ahead and do the same here. All right. Awesome. All right. Get these shims out of here. Oh, that one already fell out. All right. Where am I headed? Oh, there we go. Awesome. Man down. Well, I let the wife decide on the color. She went with the blue, so we're going with blue metallic. There's nothing in the camper that has blue to it, but oh well. We'll see how it turns out. Great. Not too shabby. Now to get it into that camper. Right there.
Bonehead. All right, now.
Just got that in. Yeah, ready?
All right. Okay, let's. I know we can't leave it on that. That went crooked. Oh, I know. It's hitting them.
Awesome. Now we just got to get it mounted down on the floor. I'm hoping you can hear me. We don't have our mics on. Awesome. Now we'll just get it mounted down on the floor, and I think we'll be good to go there.
Yep.
Awesome. Hi. All right. All right, go ahead and pull this out a little bit. Oh, I see what we were doing. You're hitting this. We still look okay? Side to side coming out of the hole?
Yeah. Really?
Okay, that's good for right now. Over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's moving pretty good.
Yep. That one. All right, go ahead and try to record it at the same time, but pull it all the way out. See how it goes, and bring it back in.
All the way out.
She locked in place?
Here.
Huh? Awesome.
Okay.
All right.
Did you want all the way?
Yeah, go ahead. Awesome. So let me go ahead and finish getting this mounted, and we'll be right back. There.
Push that other one down in.
What, this one? It's sunk in. That's why I said that one wanted to keep right on going. So go ahead and push her on in. Oh. Awesome. This is going to work out good, I think. What do you think?
I think so.
Okay. Now, get me the heck out of here. Here, take these with you. Yeah, sure. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. We'll see you on the outside. Oh, good Lord. Shit. Come on. Ow.
Don't make it very easy.
Up we go. Okay. Awesome. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. That's it for now. All right, dear. Go ahead and shut it. And go ahead and open it back up. This is awesome. This is going to come in so handy. And we could also, I found out, go ahead and stack that. With these totes, if we put little eyelets, like right here, we could put a little bungee to wrap around. We could actually stack them, and there's still enough room to go ahead and close them. So we could actually get 2 more totes if we really wanted to. But for right now, this is going to work out perfect. So I guess that'll do it for this video, guys. If you found anything useful on this one, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye.
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 Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time. Bye, Tracy.